In this video, we'll show you 2 natural methods to stop rodents from invading your home, and they work like magic. These 2 methods involve using either Tabasco sauce or chili pepper. Due to their intense and irritating scents, Tabasco sauce and chili powder are potent deterrents for rats and mice. The primary reason for their effectiveness is the presence of capsaicin, a natural irritant found in both substances. Capsaicin produces a strong burning feeling in the mouth and nose, deterring rodents due to the discomfort it causes. With their heightened sense of smell, rats and mice are particularly averse to intense scents. The sharp aroma of Tabasco sauce and chili powder is unpleasant to them, thus reducing the likelihood of venturing into areas where these substances are applied. To use Tabasco sauce, sprinkle a few drops around your home's foundation. Alternatively, mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of Tabasco with a cup of dish detergent and 4 liters of water. Then spray this solution on potential entry points. For chili pepper, combine it with wintergreen oil to create a potent essential oil blend. Another effective method is a chili pepper spray made from 1 tablespoon of chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and a liter of water. Spray this mixture around your home's perimeter. It's crucial to remember that for these deterrents to work, rodents must come close enough to detect the strong capsaicin aroma. Therefore, apply them to areas where these pests might enter your residence. Just remember, safety and caution are essential when using Tabasco sauce or chili powder to deter rats and mice. Always wear protective gear like gloves when working with Tabasco sauce or chili powder to avoid skin irritation. Ensure that treated areas are kept off limits, especially for pets and children, as these substances can be harmful when consumed. Store these products in cool, dry spots, safely out of reach from youngsters and animals, and always in sealed containers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to make mice and rats disappear in 60 seconds without using poison or traps. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.